Morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home with your parents. In previous class we learned about prepositions, days of the week, months of the year and nouns, no? Yes. So once again we will revise, Nana. So first we are going to learn three prepositions. Before going to class we have to know today's date and the day. So what is the date today? 29th and the month is 6 and year is 2021. Day TUESDAY Tuesday. Okay. Now let's learn the three prepositions, Nana. On, in, under. On, in, UNDR, under. So here the flower vase is on the table. The flower vase is on the table. Where is the flower vase, Nana? Where is the flower vase? The flower vase is on the table. The flower vase is on the table. Here, the ball is in the fence. The ball is in the fence. Where is the ball? Where is the ball, Nana? The ball is in the fence. Next, the fish is in the fish bowl. The fish is in the fish bowl. Where is the fish, Nana? Where is the fish? The fish is in the fish bowl. And next, the bird is on the table. The bird is on the table. Where is the bird? Where is the bird, Nana? The bird is on the table. Okay. The cat is under the tree. The cat is under the tree. Where is the cat? The cat is under the tree. The ball is under the table. The ball is under the table. Where is the ball, Nana? Where is the ball? The ball is under the table. See, Nana. The flower vase is on the table. The ball is in the fence. The fish is in the fish bowl. The bird is on the table. The cat is under the tree. The ball is under the table. Okay. Here, preposition is a word that tells us where a person and animals, a place or a thing. Okay, Nana? Prepositions ante enti, Nana? ప్రిపోజిషన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? పర్సన్ కానీ, యానిమల్స్ కానీ, థింగ్స్ కానీ, ప్లేస్ కానీ, అవి ఆ థింగ్స్ యొక్క ప్లేస్ ఎక్కడుంది అనేది తెలిపేదే ఏంటి నాన్న మనకి ప్రిపోజిషన్స్. సో ఆన్, ఇన్, అండర్. ఓకే నాన్న. నౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లెర్న్ అబౌట్ డేస్ ఆఫ్ ద వీక్. డేస్ ఆఫ్ ద వీక్. సో హౌ మెనీ డేస్ ఆఫ్ ద వీక్, నాన్న? హౌ మెనీ డేస్ ఆఫ్ ద వీక్? ఎస్, there are 7 days of the week. There are 7 days of the week. Each day has a special name now. Each day has special name. Okay. First day is, what is the day, Nana? First day, Sunday. So what is the spelling of Sunday? Sunday. 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 Okay. The spelling of Sunday is Sunday. Sunday. Next. The first day of week is Sunday and the second day of week is, Nana? The second day of week is Monday. 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 The spelling of Monday is Monday. The third day of the week is, Nana? Tuesday. 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 The third day of the week is Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay. Now the fourth day of the week is, Nana? Wednesday. 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 Okay, now the fifth day of week is, Nana? The fifth day of week is Thursday. 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 What is the spelling of Thursday? Thursday. Okay. Now, the sixth day of the week is, Nana? Friday. 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 The sixth day of week is Friday. What is the spelling of Friday? Friday. Friday. Next, the seventh day of the week is Nana. The seventh day of the week is Saturday. 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 What is the spelling of Saturday? Saturday. Saturday. Once again, I repeat, Nana. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are 7 days of the week. These are 7 days of the week. Days of the week. Now we are going to learn about months of the year. Months of the year. So how many months of the year, Nana? How many months of the year? There are 12 months of the year. There are 12 months of the year. So what is the first month of year, Nana? What is the first month of the year? January. 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 What is the second month of the year? February. 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 What is the third month of the year, Nana? March. 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 What is the fourth month of the year? April. 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 What is the fifth month of the year? May. What is the sixth month of year? June. 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 Okay. What is the seventh month of the year? July. July. Okay. What is the eighth month of the year? August. August. What is the ninth month of the year? September. September. What is the 10th month of the year? October. October. What is the 11th month of the year? November. November. What is the 12th month of the year? December. December. These are 12 months of the year. These are 12 months of the year. First month, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are 12 months of the year. Once again, I repeat, Nana. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, children. Now we are going to learn about nouns. Nouns, N-O-U-N-S, nouns. Nouns are names of place, person, thing, and animals. Okay. Nouns are names of place, person, thing, and animals. Okay. First, place. School, church, park. These are places. These are names of places. They are called nouns. ఈ ప్లేసెస్ యొక్క నేమ్స్ తెలిపేదాన్ని ఏమంటాం నాన్న మనం? నౌన్స్ అంటాం. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ పర్సన్, ఏ బాయ్, ఏ గర్ల్, ఫైర్మ్యాన్, ఏ టీచర్, ఏ నర్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ persons. These are names of person. A boy, a girl, a fireman, a teacher, a nurse. These are names of persons. ఈ persons యొక్క నేమ్స్ తెలిపేదాన్ని ఏమంటాం మనం? నౌన్స్. థింగ్స్, a pencil, notebook, cell phone, chair. These are names of things. సో ఈ వస్తువు యొక్క నేమ్స్ తెలిపే వాటిని ఏమంటాం నాన్న మనం? నౌన్. Animals, a dog, chickens, a cat. These are names of animals. Animals యొక్క నేమ్స్ తెలిపేదాన్ని ఏమంటాం నాన్న మనము? నౌన్స్ అంటాం. నౌన్స్ ఆర్ నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేస్, పర్సన్, థింగ్, అండ్ animals. Okay. Once again I repeat, Nana. Prepositions. Then on, in, under. These are 3 prepositions. Today we learn about 3 prepositions now. On, in, under. Days of the week. There are 7 days of the week. week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are 7 days of the week. Months of the year. There are 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are 12 months of the year. Nouns. Nouns are names of place, person, thing, animals. Person, place, person, thing, animals యొక్క నేమ్స్ని తెలిపే వాటిని ఏమంటాం నాన్న మనం నౌన్స్ అంటాం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, I hope you all are understood. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.